Women, what exactly are you looking for?
When it comes to relationships, men often find themselves caught between genuine connections and superficial attractions. A growing concern is the prevalence of gold diggers individuals who prioritize material wealth and financial gain over meaningful relationships.
In this context,
It's essential for men to prioritize themselves and seek a real woman.
rather than getting entangled with someone driven by materialistic motives,
A real woman values authenticity, shared experiences, and emotional connection,
she prioritizes building a strong foundation.
fostering trust, and nurturing a deep bond. In contrast, a gold digger focuses on luxury, gifts, and financial security, often using manipulation to achieve her goals. Men should prioritize themselves by recognizing the signs of a gold digger.
These may include 1.
Excessive focus on material possessions and wealth.
2. Expectations of lavish gifts or expensive outings. 3. Lack of genuine interest in getting to know the person.
4. Superficial conversations centered around status symbols. To avoid gold diggers, men should seek women who 1. Value meaningful conversations and shared interests.
2. Show genuine care and empathy.
3. Prioritize building a connection based on trust and mutual respect.
4. Support personal growth and development. By prioritizing themselves, men can 1. Develop self-worth and confidence. 2. Set healthy boundaries.
3. Recognize red flags.
4. Foster fulfilling relationships. Ultimately, men deserve relationships built on mutual respect.
Trust and genuine connection. By being aware of the differences between real women and gold diggers,
Men can make informed choices and cultivate meaningful partnerships.
my love and appreciation to all the real women.